Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining. Guys, as you know, we're in Cape Town and specifically Franschoek. There's so many beautiful wine farms in Franschoek. It's like the wine region of South Africa and we are loving life here. So enjoy the videos. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you soon. Franschoek is a charming town located in the heart of the Cape Winelands, just 75 kilometers from Cape Town, South Africa. This picturesque town is nestled in a valley surrounded by the majestic Drakensberg mountains, offering breathtaking views and a tranquil atmosphere. Franschoek has a rich history dating back to the 17th century when French Huguenots settled in the area, bringing with them their winemaking expertise. Today, the town is known as the culinary capital of South Africa, boasting a vibrant food and wine culture that attracts tourists from all over the world. One of the main attractions in Franschhoek is the Franschhoek Motor Museum, which houses a collection of over 100 vintage, classic and racing cars, motorcycles and memorabilia. Visitors can admire iconic vehicles from different eras, including Bugatti, Porsche and Jaguar, to mention just a few. I think my video deserves a like for my dedication trying to work this old fuel pump, so hit that like button. Visitors can take a self-guided tour of the museum and explore the exhibits at their own pace. The collection is meticulously maintained and includes rare and iconic vehicles such as the 1903 Ford Model A, the 1915 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost, and even a test vehicle of the new Ineos Grenadier. Again, to mention just a few. The Franschhoek Motor Museum is a must-visit destination for car enthusiasts and anyone interested in the history and evolution of the automobile. Verde and Lush Wine Farm is a beautiful wine estate. The estate is situated on the slopes of the Simonsberg Mountains and offers visitors stunning views of the surrounding vineyards and mountains. The tasting room is stylish and modern, and the knowledgeable staff is always on hand to answer questions and guide guests through the wines. Okay guys, now we are at Verde and Lust having another wine tasting. Sorry, my sister corrected me there. Sorry guys. Verde and Lust. And there's 5 wines and I don't know how I'm going to get through it, but we've got a platter of cheese, so I'm going to get into that now. But look how pretty. The weather's a little bit cloudy, but it's still a perfect day for wine tasting. Yeah, we're just chilling today, guys. I'm gonna have cheese now. This beetroot curry thing is delicious. And then with the wine, just like enhances everything. Match made in heaven. You're right, Mom. Thank you.
Cheesecake is good.
You might think that this video is one-sided in wine, but that is Franschoek. It is a town entrenched in winemaking and food culture. Another farm to visit is Grand Provence. This historic wine estate dates back to 1694 and offers visitors an authentic wine tasting experience in a stunning setting. The estate produces a range of award-winning wines, including Chardonnay, Shiraz, and Cabernet Sauvignon, all of which can be enjoyed in the estate's tasting room or at their renowned restaurants. This is also one of the farms available on the Franschhoek Wine Tram Tour. I didn't manage to get on the tour this time, but let me know in the comments below if you are interested in this, and I'll definitely be back. I then visited Rupert and Rothschild's Vignerons, about a 25-minute drive from the centre of Franschoek. This is an upmarket tasting experience. Established in 1997 as a partnership between the Rupert and Rothschild families, with a focus on creating premium wines, the estate produces a range of varietals including Chardonnay, Merlot, Cabernet Sauvignon, and Shiraz. But also available at the farm are wines made by the Rothschilds family in many territories, including Argentina, Bordeaux, and Champagne, to mention a few. With a reputation for excellence, Rupert and Rothschild Vignerons is a must-visit destination for wine enthusiasts looking to experience the best of South African winemaking. Hey guys, we are at the Rupert and Rothschild wine tasting. We're having a wine. Look at the cute view behind me. I'm going to show you what we're drinking. Okay, so first tasting is the Rupert and Rothschild Classique. That's the one we're having with the champagne, the rosé champagne. Cool.
It's good. This is a good one. This is the Classique, which she said was like Merlot. What else did she say? I wasn't listening. I wasn't paying that much attention, let's be honest. I was just wanting to drink.
Guys, we've moved now. We're now by the fireplace, nice and cozy, and we're drinking champagne. This is proper champagne from the region of Champagne in France. So it's proper champagne, not sparkling wine. And it's a rosé. Oh, that's nice. This is my favorite. It does taste different to sparkling wine, guys. I think this is the first time I've ever had proper champagne. I think this is literally the first time I've ever had proper champagne. I don't know how to explain it and why it's different, but it's different and life is good. Look at this. Guys, as you can see, I went a little bit overboard and got myself a little treat. But how cute is this box, hey? And it's pink and it's champagne. You're not gonna find this anywhere else, so I kinda had to. I love the way the champagne is presented in this high-class box. This is definitely one for my display, but I don't think I'll ever drink it. The memories are worth way more than the actual champagne. I also visited Boshendal and the beautiful Babylonstoren farm. These are such amazing attractions that I'm going to make a dedicated video on each. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified when these videos get released. Overall, Franschoek is a wonderful destination for food and wine lovers, history buffs, and anyone seeking a peaceful retreat surrounded by natural beauty. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!